Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today this is another weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 23rd of October 2023 and the week will end on Friday 27th of October 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made good profits on the basis of my previous analysis, and I hope all of your decisions must have gone very nicely. So those of you who are returning viewers, those who are with me for a long time, I welcome you as well. Plus those of you who are watching me for the first time, let me tell you, this is Aftab and I'm right here on YouTube since 2016, providing all of these services to all of you free of cost on my channel. And my all-time effort and thought process is to educate all of the beginner traders, because I know there is a lot of gap, and for the retail traders, for the beginners, there is a big gap. No one is trying to teach them in that way in which new traders are supposed to be taught. So on my channel, definitely this is, since it start the beginners and those traders who are not making consistent profits are the main drivers of this channel. A lot of the traders, they became successful and now they are earning very nicely for themselves. So you can, if you are an inconsistent trader, you can become a very profitable trader in a very short time. A very simple strategy I'm working on, and the results you will see, you even if you traded the levels on the demo account still, or on the real account still, you will see that how much potential profit this strategy, the ABCD, can give us and give you. Obviously those people make more money who have a lot of money. Let's suppose if I have $100,000, I will make more money, right? 20% of $100,000 becomes around $20,000, right? So everyone's financial status is different from another one, and most of the traders then have some doubts about the mentors, or that okay, if the mentor is successful, then why is he just uploading and teaching these things? Obviously, to make more money, we need more money. And I'm so much thankful for this much success that I have got in these 8-9 years. I'm so much thankful for it. I'm grateful for it. Anyways, let's see. Last week I discussed several pairs, including euro dollar, then gold US dollar, pound yen, dollar CAD, bitcoin, Aussie CAD, this one, New Zealand US dollar, silver I did not discuss, US oil I guess I discussed it. I don't exactly remember because I did not traded this one, so I'm not sure if I have discussed it last week or not. So these pairs I have discussed, and I'm so sure enough you may have got some nice trading opportunities and trading decisions in the previous week that ended yesterday on 20th of October 2023. And once again, congratulate from my side, right? So those of you who are new to my channel, I want to just tell you that consider me as a friend, right? And Rome was not built in one day. So if you consider me as a friend, you will be easily understanding the concepts and easily be learning the new techniques that I'm going to teach right here on my channel. So let's have a look at the pound dollar, dollar CAD. I will be discussing it first because during the week I also gave you 300 pips setup on the dollar CAD that worked very nicely to the top side, explained very nicely. And on the pound dollar, it was 115 pips of weekly setup that also worked very nicely. I mean, like, it was 115 pips of setup, but there were several ways how the traders traded them, so I will be coming to that as well. Plus last week what I said, there were obviously several levels. So moving on to the monthly time frame, last week what I said, monthly is open. So last week candle, what I said is that this is the present one that closed, and the last one is right here. Just have a look at it. Patiently watch this video from start till the end so that you understand what I want to say. So what we have got right here is, we have got a very nice pin bar. This is 1 2 3 weeks ago we have got a very nice pin bar, and the week that closed, the previous week closed, that closed like this, giving us a pin bar to the top side. So till now, so far, I can very easily say that this story started right here, ended right here. It can be a part of a very big story, but that cannot be predicted at this particular moment. Another thing that in the previous week I have discussed was, this was a very fantastic place. From 3 weeks I'm holding these buy positions, and all of the investors are holding these buy positions above 1.20 level. So now what's next for the upcoming week? Also, let's have a look at the daily time frame. And 1 2 3 4 5 market last time was right here, and without getting a single pip against us last week, how much profit it gave us, let me clearly show you. For reference, you can check back my previous video as well. And if you see here, the market closed, and as the market opened last week, we have got a very strong bullish rally, and that gave obviously a fantastic buying opportunity of around 87 pips once, then sell from there. And obviously this channel I have discussed during the week on the H4, and on the H4 this channel worked very nicely. You can check back the video. It's called, I uploaded that on Friday, or maybe on Thursday I did that. So I want to extend it, and since I clearly explained this channel, so I don't want to go into the details of it. See, a sell from here was advised, right? Then a sell from here was advised, a buy from here was advised, a buy from here was advised. So if I sum up everything, obviously I now assume that you are watching my weekly analysis videos, weekly forecast videos with so much interest. So since most of the things I have discussed in the previous videos, now in the upcoming week, what most probably is going to occur is, and what you can do is, a break above this, a retest, and a straight move up towards 1.22725. This is one opportunity, and the other one, obviously, if it if it go up there, you can also take any trader can take some risk right here, and from there look towards right here as a target one, and right here the story will be something else. But remember, if the market closes below this 1.20500 level, then the story will be something else for the pound dollar. Remember, this is a very simple technique, and if I show you, this is full of ABCD patterns. And on the H4 I want to show you it a little bit, and then okay, this is the H4. So very nice market it is. Let's delete this one, and I also want to highlight this area. Make sure to check out my previous video because I have discussed it. So it clearly got two bounces from the same support right here. So when one level give a bounce, then the second level, obviously it seems it is definitely going towards 1.2271 in the upcoming week, from where I will be looking for a sell trade from there towards maybe 1.18, and even a close below this, and the market will be straight let's say if it gives us a break below, then the market will be straight coming down to 1.18500. No rocket science, just a little bit of patience and relaxation you need. Moving on to the pound yen, as it was discussed last week, and let's see the chart. The chart is loading. We have this bigger trend line right here. You can see, I'm not going into the detail of it, but I just want to find out the weekly trade. So for some reason today this MT4 is this trading view is a little bit slow. So right here, if you see, I'm not going so much far enough. This trend line, this was broken. Obviously I want to extend it, and near 182 I will be looking for sell opportunities, and obviously a break above retest, continuation to this support right here. And just like last week, what I said is that this is coming back down, this is coming back down, this is coming back down. At each dip try to buy, each dip try to buy. If I count the number of pips, you will be like amazed to see that what type of strategy is this that gives fantastic trade opportunities. And just have a look at it from where the price is bouncing off. See this 61.8, and right here this is 61, this is 61, this is 61, 61. So fantastically bouncing off, and this will be reaching 183, closer to this. So one rejection, second rejection right here, it can become a third rejection, maybe a break above. No one can say anything about it that it's going to go up from there or not, but this market is clearly bullish. And right here I want to delete some levels. I also want to highlight this area because now this is also a key level with us, and traders can for sure trade this during the week. I would like to either arrange this trend line or want to see if it is broken or not. Well, if we discuss this trend line, it is clearly broken and it is clearly retested by the price. So this was also one trade opportunity in the last week for the day traders and weekly traders. So if you have even just got this one and not the other ones, still you must be in profit of 112 pips. And obviously this sell was discussed, so the sell worked very nicely. From which zone? From 61.8% retracement. Just have a look at it, and see how fantastically this strategy is working. So a 244 pips of drop, one buy trade it gave, one sell trade it gave, both went in profit without any drawdown. So let's see, let's observe these levels in the upcoming week. Moving on to the dollar CAD, it hit one of my stop loss, but this is also like where the pound dollar is showing a bearish channel, this is showing a bullish channel. And just what I said about the pound dollar, do the reverse of it on the dollar CAD. But for the sake of understanding, let's see any way this channel broke or break, the market will be going to that side. This buy trade, well, I recommend if you are still into the trade, I recommend during the week that I gave, I recommend you to just close it with 132 pips of profit, and don't take any further trade on the dollar CAD, because let the market make its move a little bit clear, and then we trade another one. And obviously if you want to trade this channel, no one can stop you, no one at all can stop you. But it will be better to always wait for your levels. If you see, this market is clearly bullish towards 1.39000 during the week. In the videos, daily videos, I also have told you these things. If it drops, it will be dropping towards this zone of 1.35, from where I will be taking a buy position, and I will be taking a sell positions from 1.39 000 if I'm lucky enough and if I get it right. 1.3897, somewhere closer to that zone. Bitcoin, if we see what I said last week, did you purchased it? Did you? Well, I'm so sure that you have got it. And just like last week I have discussed, and since two weeks, 1 2 3 4 5, this is the last week. Then before that, 1 2 3 4 5. So from 2 weeks I'm keep telling you, you can, like, after this drop we took a sell. After right here it is clearly going for a buy, because it got a break above this structure, a break above this structure. So what I last week said, if it break this structure, you can further take a buy. If you missed a buy from right here, and if you took it from right here, congratulations. I think 30,000 was the target. Now we have to see where it can potentially go down. Well, according to the trend line strategy, the market is again on this other trend line, which I'm not considering at this particular moment. But this time, no doubt, it is clearly bullish towards 3187 or 32,000 right here. I will be taking a sell trade from there towards 27,000. There was one other possibility, but that did not happen, that if we get a break and a retest, then I will be looking towards 23,000, but that did not happen, so no reason of discussing that. The thing that did not happen. So this bounce worked very nicely, and those who took it, congratulations, for your around $4,000-5,000 per Bitcoin you have generated. Now please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section down below that you actually have made this much profit on the basis of my analysis. OGCAD, last week what I said was, since this did not happen and it still will be valid, okay, if we get a break above, then I'm looking for a sell from there. But last week, 1 2 3 4 5, what I said, price was clearly standing at this zone, and I said if we get any sort of reversal from right here or any confirmation, we are clearly going to take a buy position. Remember what my strategy suggests is, since this is an ABCD pattern, just have a look at it. This low is a little bit, this low is higher than this one, so lower high we have got, which means it is trending up with several rejections from the top side. So in the upcoming week, obviously this is going to be a triangle and market will be moving in this zone. So try to take up trades, try to take sell trades, but the level, remember my friends, the level should be correct. So it's going back up towards 87,000 once again, and let's see if we can grab some sell position from there. It will be very nice, though if it gives us a breakout retest, then it will be coming back down till this much profit. But let's see, this is clearly still bullish, and it will be going towards 87,200, somewhere closer to that zone, or maybe on the breakout the story will be something else, about which I will be explaining that. But remember, this is a very sharp trend, and if I show you this trend on the daily time frame, this is not an ordinary trend line, this is a little bit bigger one. And if you see, it all the way started on 27th of July. So this is like August, September and October end, so 3 months worth of trend line it is, and it will need some more power to break it, and then the target will be 8870, from where we have a very strong trend that I want to see. 88,000, 89,000, it can retest this zone as well. And on the break below, obviously 8481, I'm going to take a buy position from right here towards target 1 and target 2. Very simple it is, but you just need to understand, all of the traders need to understand my strategy, so that we make profits together. New Zealand US dollar, last week I did not discuss it, it gave a breakout, so it's nice. So breakout, retest, and then it is now coming back down to 56,000, 0.56000. No rocket science in it, right? Very simple it is. Where is the US oil? On the US oil, if we see, it is clearly standing. When I was taking this sell trade right here, when I was giving you all I mean all of those who are part of my community, premium ones. So when I was giving you this trade opportunity, what I said that okay, we are trying to take a sell from right here with minimum stop loss, and what will happen is the first stop loss obviously that hit, the second one we got, and that worked very nicely. So little bit of a drawdown right here from that stop loss. What I said is that we need to close the position right here, and then what I said further is that we need to wait for it to go back up, and then we take further sell trades. And the half positions, the target ones that we took, the first position that is left is still with break even stop, and most probably in the global situations, if I see, it is clearly trending up. But since this is also a level with us, and this is also one level with us, so this is a very tricky. See, one level is broken. Market was supposed to bounce off from this zone, but maybe let's say we adjust it like this, since this is a double top up there. So there is still a good potential with us in the market that it will, since now the market is closed, we can assume this as a trend. And unless this trend price is trading below this trend line, I will be looking 83.32 once again, and then 73 as well, which will be a little bit long term story. Australian US dollar and on the Aussie US dollar, we took very fantastic sell opportunities from there. Most of you will remember what I said last week right here is it's going to 1 2 3 going to go up from the same buy zone. It went up, it is rejected from the trend line. See how simple this strategy is, my friends, but this is us who don't understand it. We complicate it, right? So let's delete this trend line, let's extend it a little bit, and let's delete these open positions. Several times we took buy positions and sell positions as well. See, all of these I have discussed. This rejection I have discussed, this trade I have discussed, this trade I have discussed, this one I have discussed. So how many trades you need to trade? How many profitable trade? This is profit, this is profit, this is profit. From this support, this I did not took, this I took. Why? Because we had this support. I took it, we took it, I took it, we took it. Take, right? So, and again buy, and again sell, but the level is not yet broken. And I see that okay, now the market, just like last week I discussed, 6183 is going to be the zone. So in the upcoming week, it is so much possible it will be dropping towards this zone, from where I am going to look for buying opportunities towards 62,500, 64,000, toward this trend line, and maybe a break of retest, and then that will be another type of trade, right? Now moving on to the gold US dollar, and on the gold US dollar, on the dollar index, I also gave you sell setup, and I also want to discuss that to you. Several weeks, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This week, see a 61.8% retracement. Even if I didn't give, or I don't discuss it, you can also, I assume that now you know my strategy. See, when price was at 61.8% retracement, what were you doing? Simply, the market is clearly going up. It took a back down, it retraces back. This was a corrective move. Sell, and this much is the profit without any stop loss, right? Again, it was stopped at this zone right here, and it is now a range, a break below, retest, then I see it further down towards 104,500, and maybe a break above retest, and I see towards 109 till 110, but I still see it's going down towards 104,500, from where I am going to take buying opportunities on the dollar index, right? Now moving on to the gold US dollar, this is also very, I will be explaining the gold US dollar and euro dollar in separate videos as well. But what last week I said, and since 2-3 weeks what I'm saying is we took these buy positions. Are you happy now? Are you happy, my friends? You should, right? And now you should give me a like as well, because we took buy positions from right here. We have got this retest of the trend line as well, discussed last week. So from last week we took buys towards 1980, and the bullish story, the bullish trades are now over. Now we have to look for fresh opportunities. For those fresh opportunities, you have to stick with my channel, and I will be tomorrow on Sunday, this same time I will be uploading a video, so make sure to not miss that, right? So all of the TPs hit. Now what's next? Obviously I will be discussing that in another separate video, because that need explanation. Euro dollar and gold dollar are like very, like you can say they are very close to my heart, and they give accurate entries and exits. So on the euro dollar, I separately made a video on it as well, and just if you see very nicely, don't you see a fantastic buying opportunity right here? Isn't it a buying opportunity, a fantastic one? This one, just have a look at it. 1 2 3 4 5. In the previous week this was a bullish towards that, then there, and then there. What is very rocket science in it? I'm not sure, but there is an ABCD pattern towards 107,000, and we took some partial profits as well. Some stops moved to break even, and fantastically it worked, and it still I see it's going further back up, but I will definitely be discussing that in a separate video. For now, all of the TPs are hit on the euro dollar as well. If you have remember any questions, my friends, you can leave them in the comment section down below. Also, any one of you who want to get my premium services, as I said, most of the traders think that if the person is a forex trader, then why he is selling his courses, right? So the more money person make. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number, and if you are a very positive thinker, you can contact me. And before you lose any money, because most of the traders, when it comes to me, they have left their jobs, they have then invested in the forex, they have then booked losses, then they contact me. So before that time comes on you, contact me. Maybe I can save you from losses, right? And profits, that's obviously my duty. Giving profits, that's my duty. I have to give that. I have to give you a technique. So +923159922181 is my WhatsApp number. Contact me, and believe me, that is going to be a life-changing course for you forever and ever and ever. Thank you so much. Make sure to leave a like. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.